What's up, Diecast gang? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy KG back in the workshop studio. Hope all you guys having a blessed day. I'm feeling pretty good myself, guys. Just got off work. Actually pretty tired, but pretty excited also because I got exciting news. I'm gonna announce the winner of my round 2 giveaway really soon, and also I'm gonna do a wheel swap for you guys. Got a few things to show you guys. Think it'll be a nice video. I don't know. Let's get right to it, guys. Winner of the giveaway is none other than Dino Petrov. Congratulations. Really appreciate you. Dino Petrov has been continuously entering each round, each repeat round. He's been right there, so hopefully you will contact me within the time limit, within the time span. It's actually Tuesday when I'm dropping this video, and you will actually have until Thursday at midnight to contact me via email, Facebook, Instagram, one of them 3 platforms. I also have Facebook groups I wanted to mention. Everything's down in the description of the video, by the way. You can check out my Facebook group, Diecast and Diorama Creations. I'll put it on the screen for you guys. I'm the admin over there. My boy Christopher Lewis is the co-admin. Big shout out to Christopher. He's been a big help with the group over there. We post anything car related, diecast, whether it be diecast or plastic. I will accept build kit plastic models, you know, usually on Cabana too, but I'm all about the culture of just modeling, period, and dioramas. You know, I want people that build dioramas to join the group and share, you know, share your craft, share your work, no matter if you're a beginner builder or an expert builder. You know, we accept everything and we don't show criticism, so feel free to check us out. Another group is Jada Toys Gang. Shout out to Jarek, the head admin over there. I'm also a co-admin of Jada Toys Gang. I also put that on the screen for you guys. You can also, especially if you're into collecting anything Jada Toys, any scale size is welcome. We do have different groups that specialize in different scales. Jada Toys, really big fan, really fun group. I suggest you guys check it out. Once again, congratulations to Dino Petrov. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing your name right. Forgive me if I'm not, but you know, everybody on YouTube, when they make their accounts, tend to use, everybody don't use their real name for their account. So when I do my drawings, I go off the whatever name you guys set up in your Facebook account, that's the name I have to use. And some of you guys, I don't know your real name, so when you contact me, you gotta let me know that. I'm gonna get right into it, though, gang. I don't wanna waste no time. Got a wheel swap I wanna do. So, it's actually a 3-way wheel swap, like I mentioned in the last video. Let me just get right to it and explain it to you guys. Alrighty, guys, here we go. Right in front of me, here's the 3 cars I want to swap. This Camaro I've been wanting to swap for a while. This Mustang is a recent car, just recently unboxed. On the recent video, it actually still has the tape on it. But what I want to do is take these wheels right here that's on the Mustang, and I want to put them on the Camaro. Now the Camaro is already custom. I've already wheel swapped the Camaro. It's actually like a matte black, almost like a satin, but it's really nice. These are some 1 in 18 scale wheels, guys, that I put on this car, customized it a while back. Just about 3 or 4 years ago, I had a really big thing for making big wheel builds, pretty much. I don't know. It was a hot thing in Chicago. I live here in Chicago, and you know, it was somewhat of a big thing with big tires about 4 or 5 years ago, and it's kind of wearing out now. It's kind of, you know, I want to say wearing out, but dying out, and people are not really going for the big wheel builds no more. They pretty much getting wheels to pretty much fit the car, like 6s or 8s. But this is like more like 30s, you know. I got a few other examples right here. It's my Impala that I customize. I do a lot of trucks like this. Showed you this, guys, before. These are some wheels I pretty much order offline, gang. Go on eBay and pretty much typed in 1 in 18 scale replacement wheels, and this is what popped up: a set of 5 different chrome wheels. You know, I just showed you 3 different examples. I'll actually show you some more. Here's a Monte Carlo that I've done a while back. Here in the corner is 55 Bel Air that I've done. Here's another one, my Dodge. That's my Charger. Here's another example of a truck. Here's my Escalade. And it's kind of like barely, but majority of them roll, as you can see. Trucks and cars. This Camaro, I didn't make it, it didn't roll. It was mostly for photo purposes. If I would have tucked them in a little more, because I got them sitting all the way out, and I got electrical tape around the tires, because the tires that came with the wheels is actually too big, too thick, and it wasn't really a good look, so it looked much better without the tires, in my opinion. But enough of me blabbing on, but we're gonna switch it up, make this look more like a rod, like a drag rod, or, you know, sort of like a drag build, all blacked out with these wheels. It should look, I think it should look pretty nice. And these wheels, here is a Mustang that was a peg warmer here in the city of Chicago. It was, I think this was a peg warmer all around the United States. I say peg warmer, but you know what I mean? Like, it was just abundance of these on the shelf, and like everywhere I go, every store, Walmart, Myers, Target, everybody had this spoiler Mustang, and I actually have 3 of them. One is, this one is the only one I had done nothing to. I actually liked the original design. A lot of people strip them down to black. I also have an all black one, which I'll show you guys because I like sharing with you guys. Just sitting right up here on my shelf. It actually got some different wheels on it. You can't get a really good look at it because it's kind of dark. Actually, it's really dark. But yeah, that's my black one. And as you can see, I was out here playing GTA. I came home and got right on the game before I even started recording the video, but you know, these wheels I'm gonna put on this car. This is gonna be replacement wheels. And once again, shout out to Christopher Loop. He inspired me to buy this car because I really wasn't interested, but it looked really cool. When we took the decals off, I'm gonna take the State Trooper decals off and the highway drag with some acetone and some cotton swabs. Here's my acetone. You can use fingernail polish as well. So I heard, I never tried it, but you know, well, I know acetone is pretty much fingernail polish removal, and it has a little scratch we're not gonna worry about. But here we are, guys. So these wheels are gonna be set to the side, and this car is gonna need some wheels. So I have an extra set of wheels, guys, right here. They basically need some drag offsets that I'm gonna be putting on back on the Mustang, because I don't like to leave a car without wheels. So yeah, that's the only set of wheels I have to replace. I have another set like this that's gray right here, but the grays won't look as good as the black. So let's get it, guys. I'm gonna get everything taken apart. I just wanted to explain to you guys what I was gonna do. I'm not gonna drag you guys like I usually do, and show you guys as I'm doing the swap. I'm just gonna go ahead on start taking things apart and getting this swap done. Then I'll show you guys how everything turned out in the end. Alrighty, gang, here we are. Final results. You've seen the before. Now here's the after. Starting off with the 1974 Mustang Boss 429. I love the way this turned out, guys. Once again, shout out to Christopher Luke. Thanks for the inspiration. I actually noticed when I was taking it apart, it had a little phrase on the back of the rear bumper. You can't catch me. Left that on there because I could barely notice it. But I think this turned out dope. This car went up like 10 levels for me. Just really loving it. But here's the Camaro. Like I said, on the drags. Really liking the results of this one also. Should gave this one a bad fall. Last but not least, here's the Mustang 2010 Ford GT. Mustang GT. I gave it a little slight bath, so when I had it apart, I just cleaned this one up since I had it apart. And actually, these wheels would have probably looked good on this Mustang as well, but just wanted to switch things up, guys. Now they all look like they're just ready for the track. Speaking of track, this Mustang right here was a trailer queen. This Camaro right here was a trip. I always had it on the trailer. Here's my trailer right here, guys. On my shelf over there. And that's what kind of gave me the inspiration for this. It's now it look like it's meant for the trailer, like it's going on its way to the drag strip. But there you have it, guys. There you have it. Let me know what you guys think, as always, down in the comments. If you watch me for the first time and you enjoy the content, take the time to hit that subscribe button while you're at it. Might as well hit that bell. Turn your post notifications to all. Turn it from personalized to all, guys. That way you won't you won't miss out, guys. I got a lot coming in the near future. I got big plans for the new up and coming year. Here we are at the year end. Happy holidays to everybody. And once again, Danny Petro, look forward to hearing from you guys. I can't afford to let this go on no farther, so please, in due time, Danny Petro, we can move on to round 3. We behind. I wanted to get all this stuff wrapped up before the holiday, for the Christmas holiday, but fortunately things happen. We still get it done, guys. So once again, thank you guys for sharing. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, it's your boy KG. Till next time, I'm out.